This house is under redecoration. Look up. The guys are working so hard. And there's one piece of equipment which is very special in order to keep the dust down. I don't know what is that called in English. Oh, this is great. Oh my God. Look at this machine. Amazing. This machine can produce the water, you know, just like a rainfall. The dust can be turned down. What is this machine? This equipment is cool. Fantastic. Oh my God, I love it. So in order to keep the people healthy, so we can't breathe the dust, especially the chemicals. What is your take? Do you have this kind of equipment in your nation? Okay, if you like this video, give me a like, baby. Don't be stingy. Your like is really appreciated. I've been working so hard. Bye-bye.